Welcome guys on my YouTube channel. I with my French friend Janame will tell you about sewing bra and what's happened last month. I learned how to sew bra and I made it all. First of all, I have boobs. Big boobs, and society make me to wear bra. And this is my favorite shape of a bra. It's made from net, you see. I saw on TikTok one blogger, she made different styles, types, shapes of a bra, and I decided if I can sew, I have the skill, I can sew bra also. So, this is my vlog, and today we are digging this field to grow some potato, and my mom, she's a recorder now. She make me do it. I hate it from my childhood, but okay. So show my dog, please. I started searching bra pattern on special pattern resources, but there weren't any suitable shape of a bra. This shape. To be honest, I don't wear bra. I put it on only for some special events or for some photo shootings. Because I didn't find any suitable shape of a bra on paid sites, I tried to make pattern using my favorite bra. This is self-made pattern according to this bra. I hate ball shapes and my brain was broken. I despaired and decided it wasn't destined to sew for me a bra when YouTube said, maybe you like this video. This video, you see? Free pattern. Of course YouTube, I like this video and I downloaded this pattern. Next day I printed it and cut it. Oh my gosh. If you saw my previous video about panties, you remember I bought everything for making lingerie 10 years ago. Almost everything in this box I bought 10 years ago. Are you ready? This is my first bra. From that pattern, thank you Sveta from Poland. Look at this. Funny nipples. I'm like Madonna. Compare with my favorite bra, it has extra high and funny nipples. I've already cut a clasp for another bra. One lady from fabric store told me how to fix my funny nipples, and she recommended me to make a pattern from tight material and correct on me. Ladies and gentlemen, pattern from tight material. And I wanna show you how much extra high I cut. Life hack. How to iron ball shape without special ball. Take an old bra, put under some clothes, and voila, you are perfect and have ironed boob. Oh, it's a deep evening, so I made so much. I dig it. I thought before these two panties and I needed bra for them. I made it. After 1 month, I thought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bras and first black. You remember? Yes. With different colors made from net and from lace. I think I don't have my previous entire life so much bra. If you remember, I don't wear bra. I just bought one and wear maybe 1 or 2 years. I'm tired, I'm thirsty. One more time, like this job. I'm gonna show you how orgasm looks like. Like this. I even sewed bra from expensive Max Mara lace. Could I tell people I have Max Mara lingerie? I was sewing this Max Mara bra for 2 days just because of 2 sides bulk embroidery. On a scale of difficulty, bra is the most difficult thing for sewing. Why? Because you should sew on first stitch tunnel tape with boob part and with base part, then tunnel tape on sides, then pin elastic for elastic band for attaching straps, then elastic on bottom, then second stitch on tunnel tape, then elastic on top, then attaching straps and clasp. Maybe I forgot something because I skipped some steps when I sew. How I love sewing panties. Sorry panties when I said that it's difficult to sew you. Welcome to my Instagram, like this video, subscribe this channel, and I will tell you more stories about sewing and my life.